This is Sandeep Gupta. I am having a store in Banjara Hills with the name Baby's Wonderland. We are having a baby store concept from past 18 years. This is the first baby store in India, as I assume. We started this concept with little items of babies, baby furniture and all that. As soon as the customers has given us inquiries about different things, we started getting those things and keeping in our store. At last it becomes a baby store. Now there are lot many baby store coming up with new concepts, so we are also coming up with them with face to face. This is new concept and a rising concept wherein everyone spends for the children's, so we think that children's concept is best concept at present. There are different varieties of toys. Actually we deal with toys, garment, baby accessories, cream, shampoo, lotion and all those type of baby accessories, and feeding bottles and school bags. There are different types of cycles, cars and ride-ons, and then we also have playground equipments. Like that we have got lot many varieties in toys, and we assume that prices should be very reasonable so that the purchasers and the customers comes regularly to the store. We are more concerned about the quality of the product. Apart from the prices, our quality will be quite good, and it's BPA free. Prices differs from item to item. Actually there will not be any starting price and ending price. Actually depends upon the product range. We can start up a rattle with 30 rupees, we can go up to around 500 rupees a rattle. So depends upon the quality of the things. We have got different prices. Some of the toys are imported from China, some from Thailand, and mostly from India also we keep the products. No, there will not be any category of people who are interested in buying goods comes here. Celebrities also do come. It depends upon how many child they have, how childs are interested. Business this year it's a very less from compared to last year, 2 years. This year there is less natural slowdown in the country, economical conditions. It is a little bit slowdown, and there are lot many competitive peoples are coming every year.